Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Lincy and I'm going to teach you how to speak in English better. And I know the first thing you might notice about this video is that in my previous videos I've spoken in Tamil, whereas in this video I'll be speaking in English because I just want to set an example for you. I know that many of you out there, you're doubtful about your English. You are scared while speaking with others in English because you think that people are going to make fun of you and you will make a lot of mistakes. But you know what, guys, that is okay, because let me tell you that I am the most reserved, soft-spoken and the least confident person I've ever seen in my entire life. So I'm doing this to tell you that if I can do this, you can definitely do this. So without any further delay, I'm going to tell you what this video is going to be about. I'm going to give you 5 tips that will help you increase your English fluency, and these tips, they are very basic, realistic and indispensable to your journey towards language acquisition, and you don't want to miss this. So let's go. Tip number 5 is to say it with a smile. When you smile, everything becomes so much better. Because I've been trying this myself in my videos personally. When I smile, I feel so much more confident and half of the nervousness just goes away. When I smile, I don't feel like I'm talking to the camera or I'm talking to some random person on the internet. I feel like I'm talking to my friend. I'm having a real conversation here. I'm connecting with people. So when I smile, it makes everything better and it also looks better. So I will encourage you to smile when you talk, and of course you cannot smile all the time. When you're conveying something sad or serious, you cannot smile at that time. That would be weird. But the other times, especially when you are talking over the phone, when you smile, the other person actually knows that you're smiling and it just lightens up the mood. So I would encourage you to say it with a smile. Tip number 4 is make more mistakes. We often hold this negative attitude towards making mistakes as if it's the end of the world. Actually, it's just the opposite. It's the beginning of learning. So make more mistakes, make better mistakes and learn from them. Just don't keep repeating the same mistakes. When you're making mistakes, it means that you are practicing, you are trying something you're not good at yet or something you don't know yet. So when you're practicing, you will get better at it. One of the reasons why I started doing this video on YouTube is that I want to improve my public speaking skills. And as I told you that I am very bad at this. I am so shy and very doubtful about myself. And I know that the initial videos will have a lot of mistakes, but that's okay because with every video I will get better. So I just want to be an example or an inspiration for you to try whatever you think it is too hard for you. Just try. It will get better with the second try, with the third try, with the 10th try. You will get better at it. So keep trying. Tip number 3, make learning fun. Make learning fun because I know that traditional methods of learning English include memorizing new words, memorizing grammar rules and verb conjugations, but these are a bit boring. And if you don't make things fun, if it's too boring for you, you will eventually lose interest in it and you won't learn anything that way. So it's not wrong to make learning fun. In fact, if you want to learn anything, make it fun. And instead of memorizing words, you can use flashcards to help you learn new words, and instead of listening to boring English conversations, you can watch sitcoms like Friends, How I Met Your Mother. I know a lot of people who have learned English by watching sitcoms. Tip number 2 is be positive. Be positive in your approach towards learning English, because frankly, mindset is everything. When you have negative thoughts clouding your mind, like I cannot do this is too hard for me, what you're doing is you're drastically reducing your performance or your ability to do anything. So fill your head with positive thoughts. Tell yourself that you can do this, that it's not too hard for you. So many people speak good English. I can do it too. All I need is a plan. Tell yourself that. And these thoughts have magical connection to your body. For example, you are going to an English class which you don't like to go, you are not interested in going, you're bored of going there. So these feelings in your head, they will start having a physical effect on your body. You will end up having a stomach ache or a headache while thinking about going to that class. So it will make things much worse for you. So tell yourself good things. Tell yourself that you can do this. Say that I can do this. English is just a language. What's the big deal? I can learn it. What if I'm bad? What if I'm slow? I can improve. I can learn anytime. When you do this, the world is yours to conquer. Tip number 1 is to have smaller goals, because bigger goals like I want to learn English or that I want to learn to speak in English fluently are okay, but there are problems with these kind of goals. The first one is that they are not measurable, and secondly, they are not immediately actionable. So let's say, for example, that someone comes to me and says, you need to learn to speak in English fluently. I might say, okay, I can do that, no problem. But then I wouldn't know what to do next. I wouldn't know how to go about to reach my goal. I might try to learn a word here and there, or I might try to learn a few grammar rules, but that would just leave me confused because I feel like I'm so far behind my goal. So if the person comes and asks me, did you learn to speak in English? I might say, I don't know how to do that, and I don't know when to say I am now fluent in English, because I don't know how to measure that. So this is the problem with having bigger goals. They are okay for the long term, but in the short term, they will leave you confused and in doubt. So it's better to have smaller goals. For example, let's say that I have a goal to learn 5 new words every day for a week. Now this is both immediately actionable and it is measurable. So if someone asks me that, did you learn 5 words today? I'd be able to say, yes, I did do it. So it gives me a sense of accomplishment and it boosts my confidence. So this is why smaller goals are so important, and having smaller goals will help you learn anything in a faster and a better way. That's all for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel if you are new here. And I hope the tips were useful to you, because frankly they have helped me while taking these videos. I have personally used all of the tips while speaking in English, so I hope you use it while having a conversation, and do let me know how it works for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.